Hi, everybody. Welcome to April 2nd. This is our general screencast for the day. I have a couple things to kind of share with you today. Um, and I'm not adding anything to your plate, but I do want you to remember to review for the SAT, go on Khan Academy, and do some practice for reading and writing together. Based on the survey that you guys took at the beginning of the week, we are going to do some SAT practice on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, actually Friday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And we're going to use that SAT practice to help us prepare to take the writing SAT test on Thursday and the English or the reading SAT test on Friday of next week. So there's a couple things. If you go to Khan Academy, you will see that I have assigned a new thing for you to read over, an article to read over, and that it's due by 11:59. It says tomorrow, but it will be today, Thursday, because I'm recording this on Wednesday. So by Thursday at 11:59, if you could please complete that assignment, and then go on at the English and the reading sections and do something like one series of questions or whatever that'll help you review. That'll help me get me focused for what I want to talk to you about on Friday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday with SAT review. Okay, I'm not going to talk anymore about the prompt response because I feel like we're getting on the same page, and I really won't know how well you're doing on those until I read your prompt response. But don't forget, you will be going on Schoology and you will be submitting your prompt response by 11:59 Friday night. And that's, remember that you want to click the submit button in Schoology, go into your document where it says share, and you want to change, I'll show you again, you want to change the text box that comes up from, it'll automatically most likely come up as can view, and you want to make sure that you change it to can edit. You copy that link and you submit that link in the create tab on Schoology. I'm hoping I don't have to tell you that again, but I will if I have to. All right, so this is what you're going to do today. Keep working on that prompt response. Log into Khan Academy, do this lesson down here, analyzing text structure, and then please one more Khan Academy like series of practice, like actually answering questions about either writing or reading, to help us prepare for next week. Okay, I hope that's great. Oh, also, I'm going to be recording one more video for rhetorical analysis practice for the AP exam. And I'm going to kind of walk you through a former rhetorical analysis like text so that you can kind of start getting reminded of what that's like. And then next week, well, after we're done with the whole SAT thing next week, the following week, I'll be doing some review stuff. Don't forget that on YouTube, you have a link that I posted on Monday or Tuesday in the folder. That is a link to the AP review videos that College Board is putting out. So make sure you go into those and kind of like look at some of those videos because it'll help remind you of what you need to do to prepare for the AP exam. Okay, I miss your faces. Please, in a remind, send me a picture of your face in an email. Shoot me a little video. You can do that in Remind, so that I can just see you, because I'm tired of just looking at my family. I love them, but I'm tired of looking at them. Okay, take care of yourselves. Stay out of trouble. Stay safe. Stay well. Bye.